Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix the puppy keep expired error on the Shein application step by step. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Also, before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to understand the puppy feature on the Shein is a part of a limited time campaign. Once you open your Shein application just like so, here on the homepage you will see the banner of that particular campaign. So you need to simply check whether the event is still listed on the home page or in the earn points section. If it is still there, that usually means that the event has ended, and that's why it keeps showing expired. The second thing, if you see that particular campaign over here and if you find that it is active and you are still facing the errors, here you can try this simple trick in which you need to come out of your Shein mobile application, then long press on its icon and go to the I tab. So this will be your app info of Shein. Over here, tap on the storage option, select clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache, you need to simply reopen your Shein mobile application and check it again. This helps refresh the application's data and remove any kind of old or expired session info. You can also try updating your Shein mobile application because sometimes the outdated application can glitch and show you the expired features even when the event is active for the others. So here you need to launch your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Shein. If you see any kind of update over here, simply tap on that and update your application to the latest version. Once updated, you need to log back in and try accessing the puppy page again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.